Hey gems, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, well, welcome. How you doing? Okay, I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing of the hair I purchased from besthairbuy.com. It comes in a DHL package, express shipping straight from China. Normally when I get my hair from Best Hair Buy, because I've been buying hair with them for probably 8-9 years now, it comes in a nice little pouch. But for some reason, I guess they ran out, and you know, they gave it to me in this. But hey, it's the thought that counts. So, came with this in the bag. It came with a cap, but I kind of lost that somewhere in the mix. So, let's get to it. This is a hair. So, this is a 16-inch deep curly natural black. It's like a 1B, but to me this looks very, it's not like a black, like a jet black. If you want a jet black, you might have to dye this. It's a 360 wig. The lace in the front goes back about 4 inches. The lace in the back, it's like 2. All around the perimeter is a 22.5 inch lace, and it's a Swiss lace that comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. You have your 2 adjustable straps, and in the middle is just the wefts. So as you could see, just lace all around. Nice play area. This is a lot of play area. The knots are bleached. Well, that's what the description says, but I think I may or may not have to do something to the knots. The cap size is average, whatever that means. It didn't really give me an option. But when you run your fingers through it, normally you should see how much shedding you're gonna get. But what I'm probably gonna go do, it's not that much. What I'm gonna go do is I have to seal the wefts to prevent further shedding. But of all the years that I did purchase this hair, it doesn't really shed that much. Okay, so I bought my trusty sidekick along for the ride. We're gonna just put it on her and see what it looks like. So as you could see, nice little parting. I want to say these are baby hairs, but they're kind of super long. So we're just gonna see what the parting would look like. This way, I feel like it's pretty. Crazy parts. Whatever floats your boat. You could have your parts diagonal, horizontal, whichever way you want. And I don't like when my lace is too full where I have to force it to lay. I never had a 360 wig before, so I'm not actually sure what I want to do with it. But don't worry, I'll let you watch me throughout the whole process to see what we could come up with. Whenever I decide, or however I decide to do this wig, I will keep you guys updated. I I trust in this website, so I know they're not gonna deceive me. I've seen so many comments and so many YouTubers and so many tutorials how saying they're a scam, this is fake. Whenever I need something, I email her, I tell her how I want it, she responds back. So I'm not sure, other people may have had bad experiences, but me personally, every time I did order with this company, every time I did purchase hair from this company, it came out to be just what I wanted, sometimes even more. Like, it's a lot better than I expect. Every time it gets better and better. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, follow me. Follow me. You don't have to, but it would just be nice, okay? Okay? Just saying. Have a good day, my gems.